What's good, YouTube? This past weekend, I went to my local Vans outlet store, and this is what I picked up. The Vans UltraRange AC. And as you can see, they are pretty. You've probably, if you watched my other videos, you've probably seen these, and they're not the same thing. I've done videos. What's up, Peanut? What's up? You got your airtime? Watch out. As you can see, these are the Vans UltraRange Rapidweld. And there's a few key differences in these. On my ones I've already done the video on, the Rapidwelds, the tongue is separate. On these, the tongue is one piece. It's all connected. And I was excited when I saw these because it was the model that I liked and something a little different. Also, on the toe boxes, you can see right here, on the ACs, you have a little bit more protection right there. And the only other thing I can tell the difference on is the bottoms. On the Rapidwelds, you got that gum sole. On the ACs, it's black and white. I actually prefer this because it's going to get dirty a lot less quick. Maybe they could have done away with that white part, but we'll see. And I'm going to try them on, just so you know how they fit. The one thing I love about the UltraRange, they fit so true to size, it's amazing. Having no separate tongue makes it a little bit more difficult to get on, but these shoes are almost the most perfect shoes any company has ever made that I've had on my feet. It's basically like old school Vans. If you have old school Vans, you get the same size in those, but these are more meant for walking and going out and about. Because to be honest, if you've ever tried to walk in old school Vans for like more than a few hours, come on, Peanut, you know that's uncomfortable. Get the other one on. See, you just grab that back tab, grab the tongue. Peanut, you trying to mess up all the shots? Yo, there's your camera time. They love you. We all love you, Peanut. Now go play right there. And I got a few notable mentions. These were also at the Vans outlet. Not in my size, but if they were, I 100% we're gonna get these in my size. I think the biggest they had was a men's 8. I think they're only in women's. But if you guys want to see an on foot of these, I can have my special assistant try these on. Yo, Peanut, and it's not Peanut. So if you're trying to see these on foot, let me know in the comments. And I also picked these up. I might be doing a video on those shortly. But yeah, the Vans UltraRange AC is what they're calling them. Peanut, dude. What's up, girl? I also picked these socks up at the Vans store. But yeah, this is the differences right here. Until next time, YouTube, Peanut says, meow.